One day, a hunter set his net on the banks of a stream. Many birds, which got lured by the grain in the net, fell into his trap. When the hunter came to gather his net, the birds suddenly flew away with the net. The hunter was astonished by their cooperation and coordination. When he saw all the birds are flying together with the net, he decided to follow to see what was going to happen. When the night fell, the birds all wanted to go to their own
Trust
nests.
me. Look up there. They're flying straight for the ridge while the sun sets.
And they brought their
We'll find
unity.
them there.
Some of them pulled the net to the wood,
They're pulling
other
it
headed
apart.
towards the
It's
lake.
heading straight for the lake and the mountain. We have to hurry.
None succeeded, and finally all of them crashed down with net. Poor birds. If they hadn't broken their unity, they would have always
Do
flown in
not
the same
separate
direction.
from one another. The lamb that abandons its herd will be eaten by the wolf.